Hello, Taurus. Welcome to Starlit Tarot. Let's begin with your reading. I'm going to read the tarot cards from this particular deck, and then if we need any clarifiers, I'll move to the Rider Waite, and we'll finish it off with oracle messages from this deck. So, Spirit, please tell me what is in store for my dear Taurus this week. What messages do you have in store for them, Spirit? Keep an open heart and mind. In case the reading resonates, please give it a like and a thumbs up. It would be great if you could add a comment. And if it doesn't resonate with you, then just feel at peace, and you can certainly check out other tarot readers on YouTube. There are many really gifted tarot readers out there. Anyway, Spirit, could you please tell us what is in store for my wonderful Taurus? Alright, first off we start off with the Empress, such a wonderful card to begin your reading with, Taurus. We have Earth energy here. This is also Venus. Your next card is the Page of Wands. Okay, let's keep going. Your next card is the Queen of Wands. Okay, fire energy here. Your next card is the Two of Wands. Lovely. I'll pick one more card for you, Taurus. Just one more. Spirit, please show me what's in store for my wonderful Taurus. Wow, you have the Wheel of Fortune. You close out with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Now, Taurus, I read the card intuitively, which means I lay them out, and I feel them and try and soak in and absorb the messages from Spirit. Okay, so we have Earth energy here, we have fire, we have Jupiter and Venus. So you could be dealing with an Aries. Alright, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Alright, so right off, you start off your reading with the Empress card. So Spirit here talks about, Spirit says that currently you are in a situation where you're happy wherever you are right now. You worked hard to be wherever you've reached in your current situations. The Empress talks about beauty, it talks about happiness, it talks about being at one with nature. So probably you've just come back from a holiday, you're feeling recharged, you're feeling great. I get this feeling that you've come back from, you've had a detox, be it a physical or a spiritual or a mental detox. You've gone out into nature, you've spent time grounding yourself, for which you feel great, you feel good. Talks about success, pleasure, development. There is something that you are excited to do, something new that you're embarking on. You're looking towards your goals, you're enjoying wherever you are right now. Probably it's because of the detox that you've done recently. You feel like you have this renewed sense of love for life. You're feeling very enthusiastic. You're looking towards your goals. Spirit says to continue doing that. Keep your eyes on the goal, on the prize. You also seem to be filled with passion for what you do, and there's a sense of warmth that is coming, that is exuding from you. Also, you seem to be in a very stable position currently. Maybe at work you're gaining a little more control. Did you get a promotion recently, Taurus? Or are you looking at a promotion recently? I think wherever you are at work, probably you've been given a little more control over certain areas at work. You're always very confident very adaptable, and you seem to be pretty independent right now. I mean, look at it, you've got the Empress and the Queen of Wands here. Also, you have the Two of Wands here, Aries energy again. um, Maybe there are decisions that you need to take, you've been planning. Like I said earlier, you had the Page of Wands energy here, and you have the Two of Wands. So this is the Page of Wands, this is the Two of Wands, and this is the Page of Wands. So you had your eye on a goal, or you have your eyes on a goal, and now you're planning the steps to take to achieve that goal. You're looking towards the future. You're wherever you are right now, it's looking very good for you. And then you have the Wheel of Fortune. So probably, Taurus, you have come out of a very dark place. You've done the inner work, and you feel the changes in you. You can see the changes around you as well. You're more focused, you're more determined, your work is looking great. um, Believe in the strength of new beginnings, and in case you feel an upheaval, hold on to being positive, because with the Wheel of Fortune here, you do have something new coming in, something good, since it's in the upright position, it's not in the reverse position. So you do have something good coming in. Also, it's the number 10, which is the number of completion, success. You've done pretty well so far, Taurus. You've got amazing cards here. I'm very happy to see it. Such a wonderful spread, Taurus. Look at that. You've got the Empress and the Queen of Wands. Lots of feminine energy here. However, feminine doesn't obviously refer to just the female, since, as you know, we all have both masculine and feminine in us. Work-wise, you are shining, I think, in the areas of your love life. You're doing, you're hopeful. Maybe you and your partner are starting a new cycle. Maybe you guys are now wanting to start a family. Maybe some of you have, it might not resonate with everybody, but maybe initially you were not very keen on starting a family, you or your partner, and now discussions are ongoing about starting a family. Okay, let's check the Rider-Waite Tarot. I'm not going to clarify it. I'm not looking at clarifying it, because I have a fair idea of what this looks to be. But let's get a few more cards for you. Spirit, could you please tell us about Taurus? Give us a message for Taurus. Thank you. Give us a message for Taurus, please, Spirit. What do you want Taurus to know? Okay. Oh, you've got Temperance here. Lovely. And let's look at one more card. You've got the Five of Wands. All right. And we'll take one last card, the Ten of Swords. Okay. Let's just keep that back there. Give me one quick second. Okay. So, Taurus, I think that with the Temperance card here, Spirit is telling you that, like I said, you've been through a lot, and it shows you've been through a lot. Wherever you are right now, you're in a good place. Now, with this particular Temperance card, it shows an angel standing by a pool of water, pouring water from one cup to another. It shows movement of life force from one vessel to another. So, like I said earlier, Taurus, maybe there is talks. Maybe there are talks going on of starting a family. Okay, water is very symbolic of life, and from one vessel to the other. Maybe you are the vessel, and maybe a pregnancy is being planned here. With the Five of Swords, you've had conflict in the past. Like I said, you've come out of a dark situation. This is the dark situation that you brought yourself out of. You've you've been for that spiritual, mental, physical detox, whatever you've had, and now you're shining. Now things are different for you. You've got your good luck, good fortune card. All right, it talks about clarity. It says, you've been looking at your past, whatever you've come out from, you are able to move ahead towards your goals and objectives. Now, the Temperance card traditionally is Archangel Raphael. Okay, it also suggests healing. So maybe you're in some kind of healing process. Maybe you've been in a healing process, that detoxing that has worked out very well for you. So also could be that you're involved in counseling, giving counsel to others, or probably you are receiving counseling yourself and it's worked for you and your partner. um, so anyway, all in all, it looks like a very good reading for me. This I'm not worried about, because I feel that this is what you've come out of. I feel this is what you've come out of, and you are looking great. This is you. This is you. So these are amazing cards. You've also got the Wheel of Fortune, not to forget. So keep on keeping on, Taurus, and I wish you the best. I have the numbers 3, 2, 4. There are two twos here. So could be you dealing with somebody on a life path number 2 or number 4, number 10 as well. There are two tens here. Alright, so that is what I have for you. Let's pull up an oracle card for you. Spirit, could you give us one message for my dear Taurus? Just one message for Taurus here. Thank you. Okay, let's just pull up one message for you. Wow. Alright, so this is in reverse. The jackpot card is in reverse. Winning money, got rich, inheritance, unexpected money. Alright, so I think the reason why it could be in reverse is that apart from, Spirit telling you to keep your eye on the goal, keep your eye on the prize, the energy that I'm getting is Spirit is telling you to be careful of where you are investing your money, your time, and if and when success comes, Taurus, do not be in a hurry to celebrate it. Be wise with your expenses, with your investments. Be very careful to whom you lend money. You might have people who, seeing this turn of events, and they come towards you, or maybe you have people who, maybe a friend who asks you for money, and while I'm not going to tell you not to give that particular person money, because that at the end of the day, that is a choice for you to make. I do feel the Spirit wants you to be careful with where you spend your money, how you spend your finances, and keep your eyes on the prize, keep your eyes on the goal. Do not get too caught up in this windfall of good fortune that you have. Be very grounded. Keep on being grounded, Taurus, is what I'm hearing. And that is what I have for you. So take care.